For you and show you the whole line driving through, and it is lit up with all kinds of severe thunderstorm warnings.
Yeah, that line extends heading into Harbor City right now. It is heading into Grant County, also into Marion County. That line extends down across Hamilton County, Boone County, Hendricks County, and it's just about ready to push into
5. Also, unconfirmed reports of a tornado near Shadeland. There are confirmed reports of wind damage also in that area. Again, we're talking about Benton County. But again, 60-mile-an-hour winds have already damaged 4 of the hangars at the airport in Shelbyville, Shelby County, and the taxiway is covered with water there as well. And again, Owen County dispatcher confirming that there is a funnel cloud.
Nah, I just like coming out and watching it. It's heading right for us, though. It's heading right from here. It's heading right from over here. No, I just like coming out and watching it.
They just said we have tornado warning up
there. Yeah. There's one on the ground about, I think they said 13 miles that way, or somebody spotted one coming down.
Is it coming towards us?
Yeah, it's coming directly towards us.
Oh my God, are you serious? Yeah. I'm scared to death of tornadoes.
No need to be. They don't move that fast. See that? See that right there? That's the wall cloud.
What's that?
It's the front of it.
Of what?
Tornado. That's where it comes down from. Right in the middle of those. Best thing to do though, if it touches down, just get in the car and try to outrun it. Because these buildings won't stand up to it. They'd splinter these buildings. Yeah, that's the wall cloud right there. You can see where it's wrapping around right here. Oh my God, that's amazing. Come and look at this wall cloud. This is amazing. Look at this wall cloud. Come on. Why?
Is that going to come down, is it?
Come on and what? What are you doing?
See that one right there. Look at that.
Yeah.
See that? Right over there, that thing.
Well,
Right there, it's coming. It's starting to come down.
This is just the... Unless you see it spinning,
It's getting ready to.
there's nothing to worry about.
Look at it.
That's alright. That's just that front part.
Oh, it scares the crap out of me.
assuming that if anything touches the ground there, they'll set off these alarms, but, you know, I'm assuming that they'll set off the alarms if anything touches down here.
That's why they shut down.
Huh? It's the wall club. Part of it.